Someone gonna give me a thing of ecstasy or what? What is it? Some kind of rave? Huh? Is that cool? What do I do?
Where do you buy this stuff?
What do those ones say on them?
These?
The big jar of etching.
Like a thing, just touch it. Which one are you doing?
I'm gonna do Dream Lover.
Dream Lover.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to my grandma.